This is a robbery! Give me everything!
Really, I couldn't tell. Sir, take off the mask.
Take off!
Oh. Thank you so much, you, superhero, I think. No, I'm still gonna rob you. I was here for like 15 seconds. How would you get here so fast? This doesn't make any sense.
Whatever weapons you have on you, drop them when you come outside.
Sure. You know, maybe this was a bad idea. Alright, let's get this over with. Yeah, we agree. Let's get this show on the road. Good thing nothing bad's happening in the city while unsupervised. Stop right there, criminal scum. So I see that.